Design your dream patio with decor from the Spring Shop, exclusively at Hobby Lobby. Want to make your patio feel like an enchanted garden? Sprinkle in a variety of whimsical touches, like ceramic mushrooms and gnomes. Then, carry the look through the rest of your space with our wide array of planters and garden accents. All of our garden-inspired accessories are ready to mix and match, so they're great for creating a custom look you'll love. Is farmhouse more your style? Choose from a selection of wicker and wooden accents that make your patio feel like an extension of your home. Make your outdoor space extra cozy with exterior wall decor, like charming signs and baskets. Whether you're entertaining guests or gathering with family, you'll find everything you need for enjoying upscale meals al fresco. Here's a look that's bursting with life. Go bold with brightly colored florals. Our coordinated prints make it easy to swap in vibrant elements for spring. Create a comfy space to lounge in with pillows in all kinds of patterns and colors. If you prefer a calming, sophisticated aesthetic, you'll love our rugs, poufs, and large baskets in cool tones and elegant designs. When it comes to styling your perfect patio, the possibilities are endless with the Spring Shop by Hobby Lobby. And for more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.